In today's video, let's see the recent maritime accidents. Trapezitsa and Paula docked for loading at busy port. On November 27, 2024, the bulk carrier Trapezitsa and the general cargo vessel Paula docked at a busy port for loading operations. The ships were preparing to transport agricultural products to international markets. Port authorities oversaw the loading operations, ensuring efficiency and safety. The successful loading of the vessels emphasized the importance of coordination and safety measures at busy ports. 72-year-old passenger missing from Ruby Princess cruise ship. A 72-year-old American man was reported missing from the Ruby Princess cruise ship in San Francisco, California, on December 2, 2024. Despite extensive search efforts and security footage, the passenger was not found. The incident underscores the need for vigilance and safety measures on cruise ships. The Ruby Princess is now on its next voyage to the Hawaiian Islands. Fire breaks out on Malaysia Star in Malacca Strait. On December 2, 2024, the Malaysia Star vehicle carrier caught fire in the Malacca Strait near Tanjung Lebo, Batu Pahat, Malaysia. The fire started near the fuel tank, causing smoke to billow. The Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency, MMEA, responded and all 19 crew members, including 18 Filipinos and 1 Malaysian, were safely evacuated without injuries. The incident highlights the importance of safety protocols and coordination among maritime authorities. Collision between HMM St. Petersburg and Gloria Maris in Algeciras Strait. On December 3, 2024, the container ship HMM St. Petersburg and the oil tanker Gloria Maris collided in the Algeciras Strait near Algeciras, Spain. Both vessels sustained structural damage, with the Gloria Maris bow crushed and the HMM St. Petersburg starboard side dented. Despite the collision, no injuries or environmental damage were reported. The incident underscores the importance of navigational vigilance and maritime safety protocols, with swift rescue teams ensuring crew safety and minimizing environmental impact. Fire breaks out on reefer vessel Azar Argia at Nodosa Shipyard. A fire broke out on the reefer vessel Azar Argia at the Nodosa Shipyard in Marin, Spain, on December 3, 2024. The fire started in the hold and caused heavy smoke. The Provincial Fire Consortium of Pontevedra and firefighting teams from Omarazzo and Ribadumia responded promptly, extinguishing the flames and dense smoke. No injuries were reported, and the incident underscores the importance of safety protocols during maintenance operations. Joint rescue operation saves 12 crew members from sunken vessel Al Pyramper. The Indian Coast Guard, ICG, and Pakistan Maritime Security Agency, PMSA, successfully rescued 12 crew members of the sunken cargo vessel Al Pyramper in the North Arabian Sea on December 3, 2024. The vessel, en route to Bandar Abbas, Iran, encountered rough seas and flooding, causing it to sink. The ICG's Maritime Rescue Coordination Center and PMSA's joint operation highlighted the importance of international maritime cooperation and their dedication to safeguarding lives at sea. UNIFOR Aspides rescues crew of ISA Star in Red Sea. On December 5, 2024, the European Union Naval Force, UNIFOR, successfully rescued the ISA Star container ship crew in the Red Sea, near Hodeidah, Yemen, after they reported engine room flooding and attempted to abandon the ship. UNIFOR Aspides promptly responded and transported all 20 crew members to Djibouti, highlighting the importance of international maritime cooperation and rapid response capabilities. 2 vessels collide on River Shur, spilling containers into water. On December 5, 2024, 2 vessels collided on the River Shur near Rotterdam, Netherlands, causing 4 containers to spill into the water. Emergency response teams quickly assessed the damage and initiated recovery operations. The incident highlighted the importance of navigational vigilance and safety protocols in busy waterways, with no injuries reported and minimal environmental impact. Thank you for watching. For detailed article, please link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment area. Subscribe to Marinaura for more updates.